Oh, it's putting on my skin. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? So, today's video, ooh, look at me. God's light shining on a kid. Plus my studio lights. But still, God's light shining on me. Come on, shining, 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 yeah. But, don't mind my skin, y'all. One day I might share what happened to my skin, but right now, just ignore it, okay? Because I look a mess. All right, y'all. So, I wanted to try something different. I wanted to try to do the ball cap method. I have been doing wigs going on 3 years. I've never tried the ball cap method. And I want to try it. And I know a new trend is going around that you use pantyhose instead of using a regular stocking cap. I mean, a regular wig cap, because the pantyhose is thinner. And I got it in nude because that's all he had. I mean, we doing this together, okay? I just want to see how it is. Is it really necessary? You know? I don't know. But we gonna try it, okay? So, bada boom, bada bang. All right, so how many pairs do I get in here? It's kind of thick. Maybe I got the wrong ones. Right now, I have on my regular wig cap. And I use the dark brown wig cap, y'all. And I love it. It never shows through my wigs. But I didn't want to use this wig cap to do the ball cap method because I don't want to mess up my ball. I don't want to mess up my good stocking cap because these jeans is reliable. All right. Y'all, my friend told me I look like Lil Bill with this on. I have some witch hazel and cotton balls to clean off the hairline. And we'll also be trying the Wonder Lace spray. Yes, I've had this for a while now. And I'm finally gonna try them out. So if everything works out, great. If it doesn't work out, that's great too, because we out here learning together, okay? So, first step is to cut the crotch part. Okay. I got some fresh, woo, dang, I should have kept that on. Dang, it's kind of tight. All right, dang, I look like I'm about to go rob the bank. Give me all your money. I play too much. Do I cut my ear first or afterwards? I don't remember. All right, so we're gonna cut a little hole. Hold on, let me move my mirror over here. I am not left-sided. I'm right-sided. Okay, but I love a left part. Gang, gang. I'm scared. Oh, God. Okay. Hey, I thought they said the pantyhose don't run. Why they always lying? Okay, so stick your ear through it. Oh, was I supposed to lay my edges down? Oh, well. Bump it. We done already got started. First step done. Supposed to do that first? I don't know. We just gonna do it. Leave the hole up there. Anyways, I forgot to wipe my forehead off. Shoot. Hold on. If this on my edges, I don't like this. I just feel like this is wrong. We're gonna keep going. No, this is wrong. Okay, we about to start over. I told you, y'all gonna see all the mistakes. Okay, this is gonna be raw and real. So I am gonna lay my little bitty edges that I do have down. I got some edge wax, so let's get to it. Y'all, my camera was leaning to the left, everything you own in the box to the left. So in the beginning of the video, it's gonna be leaning. I had to fix my little holder thing, tripod thing. So I'm sorry, my pictures are not crooked because my husband used a little measuring thing, the little liquid thing to make sure they straight. So what I'm gonna do before I take this off, because I have a feeling it's just gonna roll off. So to prevent that, I'm gonna start snipping right where I want to cut. Ooh, I'm scared. So I'm gonna use this eyebrow razor to get as close as possible. Ooh, this stuff stick. I'm like stick. I still don't think it's fully dry yet. Oh, it's pulling on my skin. It's pulling on my skin. Y'all be doing this? Like, why? It hurts. It hurts. What'd I do with this? It leave a white residue. Y'all lied. Y'all said it didn't leave a white residue. YouTubers lied to me. Said it didn't leave a white residue, and it does. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now. Is it too far down on my forehead? I need to cut it a little bit more. I think that's good, right? Let me try a different wig on. That'd be bad. This position is good where the ball cap is. I'm a baddie. I did a ball cap. It's lifting on the sides, but we about to take care of that. Bad hair spray is a bad idea. Okay, it's messy and it's sticky, like da-da-da-da. But it's blending a little bit. This is a lot. I feel like by this time I did all this, I could put my wig on. So I got my whatchamacallit. I got the Big Glue gel. And I'm just about to lay these down so it don't roll up. Cause that big hair was messy. So I need to spray this side back down cause it lifted. I cannot do this. This is why I say I'm not a wig guru. Like, wait. Oh shit, I forgot I'm doing this. This is a mess. Like, okay, y'all, and I'm back with the final look. Boom, blam, plow. It was an epic fail. Let me break it down for y'all how I feel about ball cap methods. It is a waste of time, okay? It is a waste of time, products, energy, all that jazz. Like, yo, I sat here for like an hour trying to do a ball cap method, and all I did was ruin pantyhose and waste my hair product. I just feel like with the ball cap method, it's truly a personal preference. I think it's, in my opinion, I think it's unnecessary because all that time I was taking putting the ball cap method on, I could have been put my wig on and went out the door. So I did just apply my wig traditionally like I do in all my other wig videos. I've seen people put wig caps on without the ball cap method and they still serving scalps. So I'm honestly like confused. What is the point of the ball cap method? Like, honestly, people, we are wasting time doing the ball cap method. We are wasting time. I really wanted to get it right. Like, I really wanted to get it right. I had been playing videos on my TV. I wanted to know how to do it, and I thought I was gonna do it, and I didn't do it, and I'm just like, damn. But But you know, you win some, you lose some. I feel like as a wig content creator, it doesn't hurt to try. You know, it doesn't hurt to try. And you know, I'm trying to step my game up in how I melt my wigs and install my wigs. And I thought, you know, bald cap would help it, but it didn't. But if it works for you guys, great. If it doesn't work for you, sit on the couch with me. We don't know how to do it together. But make sure you drop a comment down below and let your girl know if bald cap is something you like to do, or you just rather stick with the old traditional way and wear a wig cap and go on about your day. I knew not to mess up my good wig cap. I just knew for a fact that I was gonna mess up that bald cap, man. Did y'all see my face? Like, I was pissed. I was pissed because that was my first time trying the Ebin lace spray. And y'all, it is so strong. It is so sticky. So I had like all of this sticky residue all over my forehead. It was just a mess. It was a mess. It was a mess. It was a mess. But that mean that wig ain't coming off when you use it right. Drop a comment down below and let your girl know, are you using the lace spray from Ebin? I know I'm very late to the train. I'm late to a lot of things, y'all. I don't be keeping up with everything, everybody. I do my own thing at my own pace. And if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. Okay? There's nothing wrong with not liking everything that everybody else likes. It's not. We are born to be unique. We are born to stand out. My friend recently told me that my makeup looks really good. If you guys would like to see my updated makeup routine, drop a comment down below and let your girl know. I have gotten some new products from Ulta and Sephora. Okay, so if you want to know, let me know. And also, I'll be dropping my eyebrow routine soon. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.